Cleaning your car's dashboard is something that many people overlook. And this is a mistake, as not only does a dirty dashboard look bad, but driving around all the time with all that dirt, dust and grime can be healthy. The best cleaning agents will work effectively and provide impressive results without leaving a greasy residue behind. There are many products available to choose best car dashboard cleaners, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any farther delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. CarGuys Super Cleaner. CarGuys Super Cleaner is still a relatively new product, having only been on the market for a couple of years. But in that time, it has developed a well-earned reputation as being the best car interior cleaner available on the market. It is formulated to clean a wide variety of interior car surfaces including upholstery, fabric, canvas, leather, vinyl, plastic, rubber, metals, wood trim and more. As a dashboard cleaner, CarGuys Super Cleaner can't be beaten. It won't leave any residue on your dash, nor will it leave an unnaturally shiny surface, and we particularly like that it doesn't contain any harsh chemicals that can damage your car. Overall, we think this is the best dashboard cleaner for cars we have reviewed this year. Number 2. Meguiar's Ultimate Interior Cleaner. If you are looking for a safe, easy-to-use product that will both clean and protect your vehicle's interior surfaces, you may want to consider Meguiar's Ultimate Interior Cleaner. All you need to do is spray and wipe it away, and you'll be left with a durable, clean and non-greasy finish. This dashboard cleaner is safe to use on all interior surfaces, and so is also useful for cleaning steering wheels, center consoles, door panels and other hard surfaces. The only negative thing about this product is the smell. While most of the products we've reviewed have a pleasant floral odor, this one has a distinct chemical smell, and you may want to air your car out for a few minutes after you finish cleaning with it. Number 3. KevianClean Interior Defense Dashboard Cleaner. If you are looking for another choice of premium dashboard cleaner, you can't go past this one from KevianClean. It is a fantastic product that delivers quality streak and residue-free results and will leave your dashboard with a natural low-gloss finish. Like many of the dashboard cleaners that we've reviewed, it's suitable for use on a range of interior car surfaces, including vinyl upholstery, plastics, leather and other composite hard surfaces. We're also particularly impressed with the fact that this product uses bio-based natural ingredients and is free of dangerous chemicals and toxic fumes. Number 4. KevianClean Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant. This product from KevianClean is one of the most popular interior car cleaners on the market, and much of its success is related to its low price and versatility. It cleans and protects most interior car surfaces and is safe for use on dashboards, leather, vinyl, cloth, carpet, plastic, wood trim, chrome, rubber, and more. Meaning you don't need to spend time or money looking for a range of different products, as you can use this one on almost anything. It has a formula designed to help to prevent UV damage, meaning that using it will both clean and protect your interior car surfaces. Importantly, it also wipes clean with ease and leaves no greasy or oily residue behind. Number 5. Sonax Dashboard Cleaner. The Sonax product is both silicone and solvent-free and is safe for use on dashboards, instrument panels, door linings, rubber, plastic, vinyl and other interior plastic parts. However, it should not be used on leather, glass, or hot surfaces. As far as dashboard cleaners go, this brand is quite expensive and is limited to use on hard non-glass surfaces only. This cleaner won't leave any greasy or oily streaks on your dashboard or door panels. However, we have read several reports from people who have had issues with it streaking on transparent plastic surfaces.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.